What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's continue our Mindset Mondays here. And today I want to talk about entitlement. Okay? I know someone out there just said, well, I'm not entitled. Okay, great. Maybe you're not. But I've seen a pattern, especially with new traders, where they'll wake up early and they'll show up, right? And they expect to make some money. They expect that the market is supposed to give them, 1,000 pips. Obviously I'm exaggerating there, but you guys get the point. Listen, the market owes you nothing. The market is always right. Okay? Have you positioned yourself well to make money by waking up early and showing up? Yes. Yes, you have. But you're not guaranteed anything. Okay? Now, like I said, the market is always right. Okay? You and I, we are not always going to be right. We're going to lose trades. All right? I don't know what else you've heard, but I have yet to meet a trader who has never lost a trade. We're going to lose trades. Okay? That's why we manage our risk. Okay? I've talked about that in other videos. Okay? But that's what we do. But listen, some of these traders out here, they want to be in a trade so bad just for the sake of being in a trade, just for the hype of it, right? That, they'll bend the rules a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, that's gambling, okay? I have no interest in being in a 50-50 trade, okay? I'm only interested in being in trades where I know where they're going to go, okay? That's why the signature entry is so powerful. We're in profit in 15 minutes or less. Just this morning, gold, it's on my story. It was what? 35 pips were in profit in 21 minutes, I believe, okay? 35 pips, okay? And just before I checked, just before hopping on here, that trade is now up 100 pips. It hit our take profit for 60 pips. Our second position is up 100 pips now, okay? Those are the kinds of trades I'm interested in being in, okay? Now, listen, the market, once again, the market is always right, okay? We can only do our best and look for our entries. That's all we can do, okay? So listen, guys, don't be in a rush, okay? Take what the market gives you. Take what the market gives you, and you'll be just fine. Don't be entitled. Don't be that brat who shows up on one of our live sessions and starts complaining about, oh, well, how come we're not in any trades yet? Don't be that guy or girl. Don't do that. That's not how this works. The market is always right. So respect the market, and it will respect you back. All right? Take care, guys. Let's have a great week. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.